These earbuds double as an AI note taker. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I want to talk about AI note takers. Now, I've looked at a lot of these already, and the general form factor is it's like a plastic credit card, and you just put it on the table, and it can do transcripts and recordings, and it can summarize, and with the paired app on your smartphone, you can actually have it do a live translation. Really cool, but really hard to avoid the fact that people would be like, what is that? What are you doing? So, the next generation of all of these AI note takers is built around earbuds, and it really makes a lot of sense because they have the most critical circuitry, which is microphones with environmental noise canceling. That's exactly what I'm looking at today. That's what these are. Let me just pull one of these out. This is the Viaim OpenNote AI note taker, and they're open ear earbuds, so they sit on top of your ear rather than going in or covering your ear. So from that perspective, they're really much better in terms of your being able to hear everything around you, but they have that secret superpower that they actually can do AI note taking. Now, I've looked at another product from this company called their Red Dot, and those were more traditional earbuds. This is a different design, and I just want to show you right off the bat. Look at that case. It is so slim, and it's a really nice feel. This product overall, I'm really impressed with. They've done a great job with this. But let me talk you through some of it, and then we'll go in and have a couple of quick demos so you can see how it all works. So this unit has 18 millimeter by 11 millimeter speakers. It actually does audio AAC, LHDC. It is high-res audio certified, which is pretty amazing because it's an open ear earbud. So if I put this on, the big piece goes behind my ear, and then the other piece just sits in front of my ear. It is incredibly comfortable. I really barely know that I have them on at all. And of course, they're not sealing my ears or my hearing, so they actually give me the ability to be aware of my environment. What's amazing, and I'll get back to this in a little bit, but what's amazing is that you listen to music and they have some noise canceling system as part of it, and it actually sounds really good. I was in a pretty noisy environment and I was listening to some old Supertramp and it sounded really good. But we'll come back to that. So it features dual microphones for recording with, as I said, ENC or environmental noise canceling, and they give you a 7-meter range. So this is sitting on my ear. It's ready to record the person on the other side of the table that I might be talking to, or record the conversation in a group, which is pretty wild. So they are liquid silicone rubber. The build quality is excellent on these. These are really some of the nicest design that I've seen. And they're IP55 water and dust resistant. And the battery on this unit, and of course the same for the other ear, the battery on both these units, it's 19 hours on a charge. And put it in the case, in total you can get 53 hours of playback or recording or transcription, or whatever it is you want to use these for. And so those are sort of the specs for the earbuds. Now let's talk about the AI side of it. So you pair this with the Viaim app on your phone, Android or iPhone, and it's pretty darn easy. You start by pairing it with Bluetooth, and then the app sees the Bluetooth device and says, aha! So I'll show you that in a sec, but you can record, you can transcribe, you can actually record phone calls, or you can record Zoom or Teams or Meet, meetings, and all of that sort of stuff. And I know one of the questions you should have, if you haven't thought this through yet, is the question of where does the data go and how safe is the data? And props to Viaim. This whole system is AES 256-bit encrypted, and they have a sort of a tunneling point-to-point system. So they are HIPAA and EN 18031 compliant, which is not so easy to do. But certainly my degree of confidence that if I use this to record a conversation and then get a transcript is pretty darn high, that it's not going to be then floating around and used for training purposes or anything else. One of my favorite features is it has something called flash record. So I don't even need my phone. I can just have this on or these on, and then I can pinch it because there's actually a button on the side, and then it will start recording, and it will record even though the app isn't available. And then as soon as it sees the app, it will then download all of that audio recording onto the app on your phone, at which point you can do further processing. So that's really slick. Now it can do recording and live translation. It has let me see, 100 languages that it supports and 4 different scenes. But instead of just giving you more specs, let's get into the app and let me show you a couple of things. And I think you'll be pretty impressed. So let me just get everything set up. I'm in the app and I'm looking at the actual earbuds, and you can see they both have 100% battery charge, and I can rename it if I want. And under Bluetooth connections, I can actually do a dual connect, which is great. You can have it paired with your phone and your computer, and it will just use whichever one you're actually sending an audio signal. There are different EQs, not a lot, but you can do custom audio if you want to get that perfect signature. I found that master EQ worked really well for the music I was listening to. And then there are gestures, and we can update them. I'm not going to do that. And then there's voice, and you can see here are some examples. So I'm going to try it and say, start recording. And I just heard a dee-dee-dee on the right end ear. So it is now recording. And that means I can also, let's see if we can find it. So here on the bottom, can you see that little red button is actually showing me time? So here's my recording, and I'm just recording right now. So let's just go ahead and stop recording. So that was easy enough. And now it's downloading. And let's see. So microphone recorded, convert to text. And we will go ahead and do that. And it can take a few minutes, but honestly, that was only a few seconds. So it shouldn't take long for me to get a transcript of the ever so fascinating stuff I was saying just a moment ago. Here we go. So there's a summary. Here's the transcript. I heard a dee-dee-dee. I mean, literally, that's what it sounded like. And so that I can summarize it. And the funny thing is the summary is actually longer than the transcript, and I can get a mind map. So interesting, but here's where this is kind of fun, is I was at a coffee shop, and one of the people there came over, and we just started chatting about the World Cup. And I had forgotten that I actually had these on, and I was testing them. So if we look at the transcript, you can see this whole conversation back and forth. And I was sitting at a table, and they were standing up maybe 5 feet away, and all worked really well. And I can get the summary to see what we were talking about. We both were in Kansas City for some of the World Cup games. I can again get the mind map. I'm not a big mind map fan, so I don't tend to do that. And of course, I do have the audio, so I could replay the audio if I wanted to rehear the conversation. But there's also other features here. So in addition to all recordings, I can go to space, and I think this lets you analyze the content you have saved. This actually is a voice interface, so it's a little tiny like ChatGPT sort of thing just for this app. And then if I go into me, then I can see, and one of the things that's really important there is right on the top is that you don't get infinite transcription time for free. You get 600 minutes of audio transcribed per month as part of the free setup with these earbuds. But if you need a lot more than that, you have to pay for a premium package because they're paying on the back end one of the big AI companies to be doing that processing. So all of that's pretty cool. We can go into recording and recording settings, and we can, let's see, go back and go into the AI settings. And a lot of this, you really want to just fine tune it the way that you prefer. And this is the chatbot model, and I'm going to use GPT 5.4 Nano, but I can try all of these different possibilities, and it's pretty interesting. Depending on the language that they're speaking or you're speaking, a different model might work better. And let's see, the only thing I also wanted to demonstrate is under record. Let's see, so here, when I push the record button, rather than seeing the recording that's already happening, it gives me all of these options. And this, I think, is super fun. So let's do a live recording with Transcribed. So let's see. We should, no, we're not getting the transcription. So I think I picked the wrong one. Let's try this one. This should be a live transcription, but it's not. Aha! Now it's working. I'm not sure why it wasn't working before, but as you can see, I am getting a live transcript as I'm talking. I was confident this feature was here. I just had to figure it out. But this is really cool. And of course, this is doubly cool if you're talking to someone else or talking to a group of people, because then you get the full transcript. And of course, at any point, you can then just stop it and say, all right, here's the transcript. So now what's a summary of that conversation that we were just having? And that might be 25 seconds of me talking, obviously not super interesting, but if it's a 15-minute conversation about perhaps the performance of the USA team in the FIFA World Cup, then it would be really fun to have that summary, and then you could email it to other people. So that's my demo. I want to actually stop there, because the other thing I want to talk about is the music reproduction. And you know, if you've tried open ear earbuds before, you look at this and you say, yeah, you can't really hear anything on them. And this is the next generation of that. Viaim has taken into account the fact that you're still hearing all the ambient sound around you. So the little tiny speakers actually get pretty loud, which is great because, as I said earlier, I was listening to music in a pretty loud environment and it sounded really good. I was really surprised, actually. And, you know, when the music stopped and it was super quiet, then of course all the sound around me then sort of rushed into my consciousness. But generally speaking, it was a very impressive experience, and these aren't as good as having like big cups over your ears or having, you know, the super hi-fi audio that's sealing your ears and stuff. But for the design and for what it is, and for sports and for outdoor activity and for being in the office, it's remarkable. And the fact that it has all of those AI features makes this a really pretty killer device. There's a lot to like here. And in the box, obviously, comes with this charging case with USB-C on the back for actually charging the case, which then charges the earbuds. And USB-C to USB-C charging cable. I love the orange, haven't seen that before. And a surprisingly comprehensive user guide and a quick start with a little, I think, QR code so you can get an even larger user guide if this one is not available. And that's pretty much what you get. The app you can download, easy to pair. They sound good. They do a really good job. They have a lot of AI sophistication. And of course, one of the things I like about them is that you don't obviously have a device you're recording with. So they're much more low key. And if you're on a phone call or a Zoom call or something, the ability to get a recording and then get a transcript and then get a summary of what was discussed, fantastic. Really, really nice. So there's a lot to like here. I think these are definitely ones worth a closer look. If you just want to dip your toe in the world of AI note-taking, or you're already doing it and you just want something a little more convenient, I still have these on my ears. I can barely even tell they're there. They're that comfortable, and that's pretty remarkable. Now, we do need to talk the price. Before we get there, I am going to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button, hit that bell icon for notifications of my new content, and give me a thumbs up if you found this of value. And if there's something you wish I would have demonstrated and I didn't, leave it in the comments so the next time I look at a device like this, I'll know what else to include. These reviews end up being pretty long because I want to demo everything, and that gets tricky, right? So, cool. All right, let me take this off and show you. This is the Viaim OpenNote AI Note Taker Open Ear Earbuds, and comes in black or white, and it is $169.99 at Amazon.com. That is a bit spendy for open ear earbuds, but when you think of the AI note-taking capability and how smoothly it's all integrated, the app might do with a tiny bit more tweaking, but overall, it's pretty darn easy to use, especially as you get experience with it. It's a remarkable device, and I think it's definitely one worth checking out. That's what I got. I'll hope to catch you in my next video.